What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the CamDuck hidden spy camera. Now this was sent out to me by CamDuck. Big shout out to them for sending this over. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $59.99. I'll drop the link in the description where you can go over and read up about it and check this out. So this comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in white, black, and gray. This is going to work with your iOS and Android devices. So for a few of the features and details, this is a 4 megapixel HD wall outlet hidden camera. Now this supports Wi-Fi 2.4, 5 gigahertz. This has a 120 degree large viewing angle. This features real-time monitoring, motion detection. The data is going to be secure on here, and it's completely hidden. So those are a few of the features and details. Now we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So opening the box up, let's take a look at see what's in here. So first we're going to get our user's manual here. This should tell us everything we need to know about the device. Of course, it's going to have explaining everything here. So you got your hidden built-in indicator light. So you won't be able to see that. People won't be able to tell that it's a camera. You got your lens, your Type-C port, you got 2 USB ports, A ports, and then you got your outlets there as well, your regular AC outlets. You got your cover for your hidden SD card slot, and your reset button is in there as well. And then it's giving you some other stuff here for troubleshooting if you have any problems with the device. You got your barcode to scan for you to download the app. And it's telling you how to save the recording, how to turn the camera on, and different things that we need to know. So I may reference this as we get into it. So here's the camera. Let's go ahead and get it out, set it to the side, and let's see what else is in the thing, if anything else is in the box. So we do have a tool. Now this tool is going to be to open up where you're going to put your SD card. Looks like a guitar pick. You also have a screw in case you want to fix this in place. And you have a thumb drive, USB 2.0, and we'll figure out what that's for as well. So here's the camera, or the outlet, hidden camera outlet, wall outlet. So here it is, very nice, all plastic build. You do have your little ears here. So what this is you actually can put your camera on top of, put your phone on top of here while it's charging, help hold it in place. Underneath this cover, this is where the little pick is going to come in handy to open this up. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let you guys see that. So you got like a little tool here. Looks like a guitar pick to me. Let's get that out. And the screw is to fix this in place. You would actually put the screw in there and screw it to your wall outlet. So just go in like this and pop this up. Where you can grab it, pull it off, and this is where your micro SD card is going to go right there. Back in place, and that's where you put your card. All right, so looking at the front of it, here's your hidden LED light there. Here are your 2 USB-A ports. Type-C 5 volt 2.1 amp, and then you got your outlets there. Now I'm assuming these are microphones, not speakers, and then you got your plug in the back, and this will kind of just keep it steady, I guess, there. But all plastic build, looks nice. It's going to be good in place wherever you place it at. So let's go ahead and download the app, and then we'll come back in and take a look at everything. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have downloaded the CamDuck app. Here it is right here. Nice little cute little duck on there. Let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open the application up, you're going to see CamDuck High-End Hidden Camera Experts. Going to press start. And this is the app interface right here. So we're going to go through this real quick. Over here in the corner, you got a little hamburger menu. You got the duck up here, you got your local files. So local files are files that you have actually recorded or taken photos of. So you got video and photos. I did a few snaps here, just samples. So you can cancel it, you can download it, you can share it with different folks there. You can also view the picture as well. So check, this is a picture where I have the camera at right now. So that's pretty much that. And the video, I did shoot a little video. You can do the same thing with video, and you can play the video back. So this is like a 4-second little video that I recorded there, and it looks pretty decent. So going back over here with your plus, this is where you can add another camera, and it goes through the little setup process. Like I told you guys, very easy. You got your news. Now, I haven't had anything come up every time I press news, so I'm not sure what that is. You got your local files again, and then you got your files on your SD card. All files, normal recordings, and alarm recording. This is alarm recording is going to be like motion detection. I have the camera set up for motion detection. You can go back on your calendar and look at different days if you want to see what happened on a certain day, what was recorded, what was taken a picture of. And I do have a few little files here. Let's see what this is. This is when I initially plugged the camera in. This one is just a 4-second video that I showed you guys. And we're going to take a closer look at the camera as well. And then you got your settings over here. You got your Wi-Fi configuration. You're going to have your camera firmware, camera stuff there, network information, camera name. You can choose to have it home, courtyard, living rooms, storeroom, lounge, wherever you want it. You want to name it, and you can set it exactly what the name you want on there as well. Camera time, you can set up different times that you want this to record, turn off, whatever you want, or not record, be inactive. You got your card setting here. It tells you how much you have left on your card. You can format it. Your recording status. Now you can have an motion detection or loop recording, and you can have to get an alarm when something's going on. It'll notify you that something's going on. Then you can factory reset. So those are the top settings here at the bottom. You got shop. This is where you can go buy another camera if you want, or the same camera. Sorry about that, guys. Closing it out. You got gift. I'm not sure what this is, but it is there. And then you got contact us. So going back to the device here. Now, when I press this, I'm going to go live action. So now we are live with the camera where I have it set up. You got 4 megapixel and you got 1080. So 1080 to me is a little bit grainy. 4 megapixel is very nice. Down here, you got your news, your photos. This is where it individually. So if I wanted to take a snapshot right there, that's what that just did. There's the photo that I took. I can go ahead and start recording right there as well. You got your local files, your SD files, and I can maximize this as well. Right there. And I'm not sure if it made it any bigger, but you do have pinch and zoom. So if you wanted to zoom in, you can pinch and zoom right there as well. So that is the app. Now we're going to go in there where I have it plugged in at. We're going to try plugging some stuff in to make sure that it will work, appliances or whatever you plug in, charge phones. And we're just going to take a closer look at the quality after I get in there. So let's go ahead and go to that part of the video. All right, guys, so I have a couple of things plugged in here to the outlet, as you guys see. So we're going to make sure that this thing actually charges devices up. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the Pixel Fold. As you guys see, it is charging. Let's check out see if it'll charge my Apple Watch. And there it is. It is charging the Apple Watch. Now I have my microwave right here and it is unplugged. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And as you guys hear, it made an audible beep and there is power going to the microwave. So the outlet does work. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the footage on the hidden camera part of it. All right, guys, so I am looking at my Pixel Fold here and the camera the hidden camera is looking at us. So this is my Pixel Fold display, and you see all of these settings and everything there that you can get into, take a picture, record. You can also zoom right here, and you also can, doing a little hand juggling here, guys, control the brightness and the contrast as well. So that is a look from the camera to the phone. So now we're going to take a look at some footage from the camera itself. Okay guys, so this is what the camera looks like recording the video. So I'm standing about 5 or 6 feet away from it. This is the quality that you're going to get right here. This is 4 megapixel. I'm going to change it over to the 1080 megapixels here. This is what this looks like. And going back to the 4. So you guys see the image quality is not too bad. Get a little bit closer to it. Put it on 1080. That's 1080 there. Let's go back to 4 megapixel. And you got to realize it's underneath my cabinet too, so the lighting situation is not the greatest anyway, but this is the quality that you're going to get from the hidden cameras. Okay guys, so this has been my look at the CamDuck wall outlet with hidden spy camera. Very nice device. You're definitely not going to tell that it's a camera. Be able to tell that there's a camera in there. All of the outlets work just as planned. And very nice device too, all plastic. So it's going to be durable as well. But you can view your footage remotely. You can take it and share it. You can take the SD card out and download it, or you can download right to your phone. And just very functional. So I'll definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. Will H. I'm out.